Mozenraff on the beat.
Taking you with me, making an airplane out of paper, just so we can fly, lady among the stars.
Mozenraff on the beat.
Mozenraff. Baby, let me lift you off the ground. Hop in my aircraft, I got weed to last. Let's be on our way to the sky. Don't tell your friends and fams goodbye. Tell them see you later. Now let's go catch some vapors and have a conversation. In the middle of the sky, weed levitation. No other passengers on this jet, just me and you. Granddaddy Purple and Afgoo on the menu. You would never had a love like mine. Who else you have take you through the night skies and kiss you in the middle of the clouds like to be on the magic carpet. Show you where the stars shine on some after dark shit. I love you and I love weed and you love me and you love weed. I love how we love the same things. Me, you and Mary Jane first class on my airplane. Yeah, let's go. Baby, it's me and you. Mine. You can fly on my aeroplane. Roll some of this good kush, baby. It's all about love. Take you to the sky. Spirits above. Show you why we have a life. Clear sky, says the Doppler. Let's take a flight on that blue dream, something popular. When I pilot, I get the sky lit. I be on some high shit. I get higher than the eyelids of Goliath. Baby, you ain't seen the clouds until they're under you. I stay with fire in that thunder too. My weed will open your mind like a scientific breakthrough. Now watch experiences make you. Thank you for taking this journey with me. I enjoy your company. I hope you enjoyed your flight. Smoking on this flight, smoking on some flight. I bet you feeling alright. If you ever get tired of the ground, I'll be around. This was just a cute PQT. Next time I bring a pound, vacate from the ground.
We can orbit the planet Earth if we really just try. Have the right kind of faith in me so we can fly, maybe among the